Hello, everybody. It's Coach Kori, and today we're going to be doing a KVCORE training, just a quick tip for you guys. And if you are a KVCORE user, you will be in for a treat. Not everyone uses the KVCORE Open House app. I really like it. To be honest, I've used it 3 times. And the other day at my open house, I used it and I got 3 people to sign in with it. 2 of them opted in to receive my texts and emails. And so because of that, I have been able to contact them using my KVCORE. And so let me show you what happens when somebody signs in with your KVCORE mobile app and it populates on your KVCORE dashboard. So here we are on the dashboard. I'm gonna scroll up, and the person who I am wanting to talk to is this first one right here. And I'm gonna click email because you can communicate from your dashboard of KVCORE. So I'm gonna click email, and once you click it, it will come up with an email template for you to fill in and edit accordingly. And so right now it's just a link, and it says, I think you may like this listing. This email has already been sent out to my prospect, so I'm not gonna send it to her again, okay? So what I'm gonna do though, is I'm gonna go up here to search templates. And today we're only gonna be using templates that KVCORE has. Yes, there is ways to edit and change templates and do all that fun stuff. Right now, I'm gonna use the template they already have that I feel fine and comfortable with using, okay? So up here on the right, search templates, and let's click it. Right here, any questions, okay? So let's backtrack a little bit. We went to the open house. I had a great conversation with her and her mom, and they liked the house a lot. They said they look forward to more communication. I told them that I'd be following up with them. This is my follow-up. They already received an email once they subscribed to the email, okay? Now I'm gonna follow up with an email, text, and a call. I have her phone number. She didn't put it in here, but she did sign in on my other one that I had a paper one that one of my teammates brought. And so I do have her phone number. So anyway, emailing her now. It's gonna be, hi, Rebecca. I hope you're having a great day so far. I wanted to check in to see if you have any questions or if you see any properties that you would like more information about. Please feel free to reach out at any time. And so this is what's gonna be sent out to her. If you wanna say something more about maybe something that you guys talked about that you know she's interested in, which I didn't, you can include that in the email, make it your own. But I like this, I like what it says. It's gonna include my contact information because this is turned on, include signature right here on the bottom left. Okay, so since I'm happy with this, I'm gonna push send. And then once I hit send, which I actually already sent it earlier, so I'm not gonna do it again, but once you hit send, it's going to send immediately, okay? So she's gonna get that email right now. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys that really quick. And don't forget to check your dashboard every single day because all of your activity, posting links on your socials, all of that, when people click on it, they generate as a new lead right here on your dashboard. So keep an eye on it, look at it, check in, and communicate with them. Click on their profile and go in and see what has KVCORE sent. You see the emails right here that I've sent to her, or that KVCORE actually sent those to her. The one I sent is right here, the any questions one, okay? So now you know how to follow up with your open house prospects. And I hope you guys found this helpful. If you did, please leave me a like, subscribe, comment. Have you been using the KVCORE mobile app? Do you log into KVCORE? Are you new to KVCORE? Let me know in the comments. And you guys have a wonderful day.